What's up, guys? Welcome to our TikTok channel. Today we're doing the
Guess with name TikTok
challenge. So, pretty cool.
Hello, Ron and Paolo.
That was Emil.
Everybody power!
Why is everyone doing a stupid voice? Oh, is it Kieran?
I wasn't Paolo.
Imogen.
Paolo.
That's Ruben. No, it was Oliver.
Noah.
Hello, Ron and Paolo.
Hello.
Hello.
Millie.
Hello, Ron and Paolo.
Yo, that's Millie.
Is it?
Hi, Ron and Paolo.
What's your
That's
Fion?
Abby.
Oh.
Hi, Ron and Paolo.
Wait, that's also Fion. I don't know. Wait, there's no one else.
Did we lose?
I knew it. Yeah, you're all Fion.
I was expecting no one was going to say
I actually don't know.